Next, let's take a look at a couple of other queries. I'm jumping back to my editor here, and here where it says, and let's do our first query, you see we have a few other queries here that have been commented out. Let's go ahead and uncomment out this next one. Now we can choose to comment out this original query, but because we're using the same variable here, we'll just replace this result. And so it will take some additional processing power to run these two queries, but it won't affect our script at all. So the query for this next one is select name shoe size from people where shoe size is bigger than 8. So this was the second query that we ran in PHPMyAdmin. Let's save this and jump back to the browser and refresh. And now you see we only have 2 records that were returned, and we only have the 2 columns returned as well. We have name and shoe size for each record. Let's go back to the editor and uncomment out this next one here. And this again is another query that we ran in PHPMyAdmin. We're selecting all of the columns by using the asterisk from the people table, where the shoe size is bigger than 8 and their name includes EE, and we're using the like operator here in order to specify that. If we save this and go back to the browser, we'll only see a single result, which is Deepak, but we're seeing all of the columns for his record. Now let's go back to the editor again and uncomment out the last example. In this one, we do something different. So we're going to select the name column from people, and we're going to use another set of keywords called order by, and then we'll specify 2 things. One is the column that we're going to order by, and the second is which order we're going to use. This order by part could have been tagged at the end of either of these queries as well, and what it does is just change the order of the result. We still get the same rows that are specified by the conditions. In this case, we don't have any conditions, so we'll return all of them, and it can order them in ascending or descending order. If we're ordering by their name, by the name column, then it will begin with A and end with Z. If we were sorting descending, it would start with Z and end with A. And we could do the same thing with numbers. We could sort from lowest number first to highest number, or reverse that by using descending, or DESC, here at the end. Let's save this and go back to the browser and refresh. Now we see our 3 entries, Deepak, George, and Sally, but now they're ordered alphabetically. We have Deepak first, that's a D, George, G, and Sally, S. And we've only returned the name column for each one of them.